the video alive. Now, you don't shoot videos for ballads a lot, right?
No, this was very special. It was for the movie that I had just starred in enough. Very rarely do I come out of a movie and like have a song for the movie. And this one I really did. There was a little melody that my husband at the time, Chris, was playing, and I just came up with this song. The experience of doing the movie Enough was so impactful for me as a character. Like, some real things happened to me on that movie that it was expressed through this song. So when I went to do it, I spoke to the director and was like, I really want people to see that this song came out of this movie.
Who was the director in this video?
Jim Gable.
Jim Gable.
Yes,
I've heard that name.
Today.
Yeah.
He's our director today.
When you studied for this movie, did you actually have to speak to women who are in abusive relationships and hear their experiences, or did you?
Absolutely. I mean, this movie was about being in abusive relationships, and I've been in relationships, not where I've been physically abused, but I have felt abused in different ways, emotionally, psychologically, and I think at the end of the day, when you come through those experiences, and you can come through them, which is the message of the movie and the message of this song, you can just be happy to have survived it and be stronger and just be alive. And that is the most important thing, that you have another day, another chance. I'm sorry it wasn't something that more people got to hear, because it really was a special thing. I did get to sing it on Oprah. Which was fabulous.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And one lady, and then sometimes that's all it takes, one lady in the audience to stand up and say, that song makes a difference in my life. And she stood up and she said it after I sang, and she's like, I love it, I play it every day. And
that was gratifying enough
that's
right
why
there,
we
right?
do what we do.